We are here at Parapatti in Madurai, where the Tamizhaga Vetri Kazhagam is pulling out all the stops for its second state conference tomorrow on August 21st, 2025. Now, this mega event led by actor turned politician Vijay is shaping up to be a historic moment in Tamil Nadu's political landscape as TVK gears up for the 2026 assembly elections. Now, let's look at all the arrangements made here. This is the sprawling 500-acre venue at Parapatti, which is buzzing with preparations. Over 1.5 lakh cadres are expected to gather here tomorrow, making this one of TVK's largest political events to date. Originally planned for August 25, the conference was rescheduled to avoid clashing with Vinayagar Chaturthi, showcasing TVK's commitment to public order. Now look at this 1 kilometer ramp that has been built for Vijay to walk and connect with his supporters. And this is longer than the one at the Vikravandi conference. This is designed to match this grand venue and is larger so Vijay could interact more with the attendants. Now here's what TVK is breaking new ground. Talking about the arrangements here, for the first time a state level political conference in Tamil Nadu, TVK is now deploying drones to deliver medical kits for emergencies. With 200 to 300 doctors and nearly 100 ambulances on standby, these drones will ensure quick first aid in a crowd of this size. Now that's not all. Around 8 lakh water bottles are kept ready to keep attendees hydrated, and water pipelines have also been set where the audiences can be seated. The drones are also expected to deliver water bottles as well. TVK is also addressing women's concern with dedicated pink room for breastfeeding mothers and a women's safety committee, encouraging more women cadres to join the rally. The Tamil Nadu police have been deployed with around 3,000 personnel under the supervision of South Zone IG Premanand Sinha. Now there are elaborate traffic plans including separate diversion routes for vehicles from across the state, which are in place to manage the influx of attendees and prevent post-event accidents. This level of coordination reflects the scale of this event and TVK's growing influence. But what's really driving the excitement is Vijay's anticipated speech and address to the cadres. It is expected that he'll outline TVK's roadmap for the 2026 elections, positioning them as a primary force to challenge the DMK and the AIDMK. Now, Vijay has ruled out alliances with the BJP or DMK, and his focus on clean governance, social justice and youth empowerment that is resonating with the young voters. However, critics have called his approach work-from-home politics, questioning his on-ground presence. With tomorrow's rally, this is now a chance for Vijay to silence the doubters and rally his base. The choice of Madurai is also not a coincidence. This culturally significant city, once the launch pad for the late Vijaykant's DMK, is where TVK aims to make its mark. The arrangements are huge, and some speculate that Vijay is eyeing Vijaykant's loyal fan base, especially since the original date of the conference coincided with his birth anniversary. Now, whether it is a strategic nod or not, this conference is set to be a turning point. With innovative logistics, a focus on inclusivity and a bold political vision, TVK is signaling it's ready to shake up Tamil Nadu's political order. As Madurai prepares for this political spectacle, all eyes are on Vijay and TVK. Will this conference cement this place as a formidable force for 2026? We'll bring you all the updates from this conference. Stay tuned.